better community interaction, right? Because these tools are free, you can develop a lot of tools that can help each other, right? Then I cannot control anything anymore. Right? So we cease to adopt new technology. But I think that's wrong. We should open the technology so that we can take advantage of it. We can impose the control, but that is okay, right? Control should be imposed. Property management and management committee owners and tenants. Right? What's the other benefit? Other benefit is support IP conversion. You see, today you put one line for telephone, or put one line for data, put one line for asset, put one line for surveillance. Actually, you don't need, right? You can just put one line for everything. It supports voice, data, security, automation, video. It is expandable, it is flexible, it can globally control and manage your properties. Okay, let's see a property management structure. You can have a property, you see, if you're a property manager, now you can manage many things, right? You can manage your whole world and sitting in Ho Chi Minh City, right? Why? Because the telephony system will link out all your location into a central place. We call it call center, we call it something. Right? But it can actually manage all environment through a single facility. So that will reduce a lot of your costs. Right? Today I'm very happy to come to Ho Chi Minh City and see so many young people with motorcycles. And with so many, such a resources. You know, in Malaysia, I'm shortage of my staff. I wish I had this type of staff that I can train up, that can go out there and do a lot of things. There's shortage of staff. I advertise in this country, maybe they got 100 people queue up for a job. In Malaysia, I advertise, half of people queue up. But the other half, because they are in middle age, they apply, happen to be online, they apply. So, it is a good country with a lot of resources, the talent, to go for open source and build your technology for your community, for your country, for your people, right? In Malaysia, we cannot do that. Because they have enough resources. We get all the people in, we will apply MSc status so that we can get some people from overseas. And we have problems. We don't have that kind of ready resources like you guys have. Okay? Okay, what is the some aspect uses? It can actually do security alarm and trigger and monitoring. Right? You can do security alarm control. You can do security audio, video, intercom like duress alarm or that. You can do automation control like SCADA. SCADA is like water heater overheat, like air corner overheat. I mean, those sensors are actually linked into telecom system that you can trigger that. A phone can handle those kind of alerts. So you don't have to be there at the physical site. Actually, you know, as we can do, when there's something wrong, you can forward to your handphone. Just like I think someone forward to me, so oh, something wrong there. Get someone. So it can be anywhere, right? It can be holiday in Europe and you're still taking care of the facility in Ho Chi Minh. So you can do that, right? Car park management using facial imaging recognition, township development, hotel application. You see, you must look at all those sponsors out there. They have all these applications already there. Audio, PA system, intercom system, hotel application, all out there. You just take a look, you know that these devices is possible right now. I'm not talking theory, I'm talking practical already there. Okay, apartment complex application, community audio video application, public announcement, audio video conferencing, desktop CRM, network monitoring for all IP devices. That means everything we put now is called IP. Even my phone is IP, because I can make phone call to IP, right? So it's IP devices. You know, based on open source technology, you can manage those devices at the cost of open source. Not only free, people say free software. It's not free software, open source is free and it's open source. It's a source code available to you. And that is called open source. If someone gives you software, say, this is a software, free source. You don't want that, right? Why you don't want that? You need to be open source, not just free source, open source. Right? Microsoft gives you a lot of free software download. That is not open source. Because you cannot get a source code, you cannot manipulate it, you cannot recompile it, you cannot change it, you cannot make it something that will be your own. Right? Facebook did that, Apple did that. They took the code, they do it, they make it nice, they go sell to people, they make billions, right? That's open source, okay? So when we talk about open source, we talk about open source, not free source or whatever, right? That we're talking about. Basically, it's a standard hardware. You buy PC server, you want PC server, you raise 1 to raise 5, depends what you want. You have more money, you buy a big one, you less money, buy a smaller one, right? And you can go to the shop today and buy one hardware, right? No problem. It's a free open source software. Free means source code with you, everything. No login. And no say I keep the bit here, I give you the rest. It's not open source. Services. This is something that you got to pay. You can either learn it yourself tomorrow and pick out and become expert in it, or you got people like us who are there waiting, see what we can do with you, and we charge you for the service. Okay? So that's something that has to be acknowledged. People still need to be fed, to be paid, to provide a professional service. There are people out there are building up now, all of you are the potential, able to provide that service. And that is, you will be paid, right? Maintenance. You can either maintain by own management team or third-party services like us. Okay? Now, why us? You see, if I am not enough confident today, I will not share. You know, this is not Asian nature to come and share with something that is my own rice bowl. Okay? You understand, right? This is my own rice bowl. I protect it. Right? This is my rice bowl. Okay? The reason why we share is because that rice bowl is everybody qualified. Why today US so successful? Facebook sell for 100 billion. Right? Apple make so much money, they don't know where to keep. Right? And what do they get? They only get from open source, download it, they do it, they put some technology there, they put some intellectual property to protect themselves or the top layer a bit. And they are making billions. Oh, why Asian people cannot make a billion out of that? We still want to protect our rice bowl in case someone take away our rice bowl. Right? I don't think that is a fear. Okay? The fear is our own knowledge, whether we understand enough to go out there and exploit the open source technology for your community, for yourself, for your life, for your family, for people, for your own country, for your own region. Right? I think that is important. Okay? And today, I share. I don't take holiday. I don't take leave. But I come here. I take 1 week leave, and nobody pay me to come here and share with you. I pay my own flight. I miss my flight. I got to double my ticket because I got to buy another ticket to come here. Okay, why? Yeah, I think this technology is exciting, right? I think we all should know that this technology is to stay. 7 years ago, I did not say that I quietly, hopefully you will stay. 7 years later now, I stand here, I say you will stay. This technology will stay. It will be good for everybody. It's something that we cannot ignore. If you ignore it, you will lose. Okay? Okay, so basically the reason why we say why us, because we are serious in this thing, we have a knowledge. Okay? So these are the things that is important. Okay. That's what my paper is. Is there any question that you want to ask or something like this? You find it exciting?
May I ask you a question? If we have the old analog telephone system, can we migrate all the old analog telephone system to Arthuric to UIP? Yeah.
Answer yes. I need to find out for you what analog telephone system you have. Whether you have 2 lines? Yes.
Yes, it can be integrated into the telephony PBX.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
But you need to know how. The approach, how to do it. Right? It doesn't need to give away anything. You can just migrate from there if you want to. But there are some chap like PKW. He migrate everything there because he doesn't want to have all the headache of migration and the instability that caused by the migration. So once you move everything there, you can shut down the whole system. We don't need that anymore.
Yeah.
We have achieved, we are able to install a phone system, brand new, in 2.5 hours. You can make a phone call out in and do a transfer in a basic system with 10 maybe extensions in 2.5 hours. And we spend maybe 2 days training how to use the system. Okay?